Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Southwest Airlines Wi-Fi. Once you're on the plane, switch your device to airplane mode. Then turn Wi-Fi back on. From the list of networks, tap Southwest Wi-Fi. Next, open your browser and it should automatically take you to southwestwifi.com. From there, you can sign in with your Rapid Rewards account for free messaging or buy a Wi-Fi pass if you want full internet access. And that's it. Super easy and you're online in just a minute. And that's it. That's how to connect to Southwest Airlines Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.